In today's lesson, we're going to be learning how to convert ounces to pounds and pounds into ounces. So before we begin, there are two key notes that you must know in order to do conversions. So the first one is when we are converting a small unit to a bigger unit, we must divide. And so if we are converting a big unit into a smaller unit, we must multiply. Now, once I'm finished writing these two notes, I suggest pausing the video to take these down. This is extremely important when doing conversions. Now, the problem that we're going to do is we're going to convert a smaller unit into a bigger unit, which means we're going to divide. So the first thing we want to do is, since we're converting ounces into pounds, we need to put our conversion, which is 1 pound is equal to 16 ounces. So now the problem is, how many pounds is 160 ounces? So the first step we do is we figure out our unit of measurement. We have ounces and we're getting bigger because we now want to convert it into pounds. An ounce is smaller than a pound, so we divide. Now, the two numbers that we divide is 160 by 16. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to go ahead and set up our division problem. We're going to put our 160 on the inside and our 16 on the outside. 16 goes into 16 one time. So we make sure we put our 1 right above the 6. Then we multiply. 1 times 16 gives us 16. We subtract, we have 0. So we bring down our last number, which is 0. 16 cannot go into 0. So we put a 0 right above the 0. And this is your answer. Remember, in order to check our answer, we multiply this 10 times the 16 outside, which should give us 160. So 160 ounces is equal to 10 pounds when you convert it. Now the next problem is we're going to convert a big unit to a smaller unit. So we're going to convert 21 pounds into ounces. Now remember, we must put our conversion. We need to figure out how many ounces are in 1 pound. We always must put that up at the top to remind ourselves. 1 pound is equal to 16 ounces. Now we look at our unit of measurement. We have pounds. We're trying to convert to ounces, which is smaller, which means we multiply. So the two numbers that we multiply here are 16 and 21. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to multiply those two numbers. It's always important to put your biggest number up top. So we're going to start with 21 and have our 16 on the bottom. And here we simply multiply the 6 times everything up top, which gives us 126. Then we multiply the 1 times everything up top. And in the end, we have 336. So 21 pounds is equal to 336 ounces.